Wait, don't scroll away. Do you want to find a secret rainbow right in your kitchen? I'll show you how in just 3 super easy steps. First, grab a plate and pour in a little bit of milk, just enough to cover the bottom. Now for the fun part, the colors. Let's add a few drops of your favorite food coloring. 1, 2, and 3. Looking good so far, right? But here comes the real magic. Are you ready for it? Grab a cotton swab with a little dish soap and touch the milk. Boom! Look at all those colors dancing and swirling around. It's like a galaxy exploding on your plate. Isn't science just the coolest? If you want to see more awesome experiments like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button to join our lab. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Wait, don't scroll away. Want to see a secret rainbow appear right in your kitchen? It's super easy and only takes 3 steps. First, grab a plate and pour in a little bit of milk, just enough to cover the bottom. Easy, right? Now for the fun part, the colors. Let's add a few drops of your favorite food coloring. A little red here, some blue there, maybe a splash of yellow. Now for the grand finale, the magic touch. Are you ready for this? Take a cotton swab with a tiny bit of dish soap on the tip and just touch the milk. Boom! Look at that incredible explosion of color. It's like a vibrant galaxy swirling on your plate. Isn't science just the coolest? If you want to see more amazing experiments like this, hit that subscribe button and join our lab. See you in the next video. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most mesmerizing, colorful, and surprisingly simple science experiments you can do right in your own kitchen. I call it the secret milk reaction, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be calling it pure magic. All you'll need are a few basic household items, a plate, some milk, food coloring, and a secret ingredient that I'll reveal in just a moment. It's so easy, you can follow along with me right now. So, grab your supplies, and let's get ready to create a beautiful, swirling galaxy of colors together. First things first, let's set up our canvas. Take your plate, a shallow one with a lip works best to contain our masterpiece. Now, gently pour some milk onto it. You don't need to fill it to the brim, just enough to cover the bottom of the plate completely. Think of it as a blank, white canvas waiting for an explosion of color. Any kind of milk works, but whole milk with its higher fat content often gives the most dramatic results. We'll talk about why that is a little later on. For now, just make sure you have an even, shallow pool of milk ready to go. Perfect! That looks great. Now for the fun part, adding the colors. This is where you can get really creative. Grab your food coloring and pick your favorite shades. I'm going with a classic rainbow combination today: red, yellow, green, and blue. Gently add a few drops of each color to the milk. Try not to let them mix just yet. You can place them near the center or scatter them around the edges. Look at that. It's already starting to look pretty cool, right? Just these little dots of vibrant colors suspended in the milk. But hold on, this is just the beginning. The real magic hasn't even started yet. Are you ready for the big reveal? The secret ingredient that will bring this entire scene to life is dish soap. That's right, just a tiny bit of regular liquid dish soap. You can put a drop on a cotton swab or a toothpick. This is our magic wand. Now, watch closely. We're going to gently touch the surface of the milk with the soapy end of our cotton swab, right in the center of our colors. Are you ready for the magic? Let's do it in 3, 2, 1, touch! Wow, look at that! An incredible, instantaneous explosion of color. The colors burst outwards and swirl together, creating these beautiful, intricate patterns that look like a tie-dye galaxy. Isn't that absolutely mesmerizing to watch? The colors dance and twist, forming new shapes and blending in a stunning display. It keeps going and going. This is the part I could just stare at for hours. It's like a tiny, psychedelic universe right there on your plate. Did yours work too? I bet it looks amazing. So, what's the science behind this magic? It's all about something called surface tension and the chemistry of soap. Milk is mostly water, but it also contains fats and proteins. The surface of the milk acts like a thin, invisible skin because of the water molecules holding on to each other. This is surface tension. When we add the dish soap, it breaks down that surface tension. But that's not all. The soap molecule has two ends, one that loves water and one that loves fat. So the soap molecules race around, trying to grab onto the fat molecules in the milk. This chase is what causes all the chaotic and beautiful swirling of the colors. It's not magic, it's science. But it sure looks magical, doesn't it? And the best part is, you can keep experimenting. Try different types of milk like skim milk or cream to see how the fat content changes the reaction. You could even try different colors, or use a bigger plate to create a larger canvas for your art. Every single time you do it, you'll get a completely unique and beautiful result. It's a perfect blend of art and science. Thank you so much for joining me in the lab today to create this amazing secret milk reaction. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you enjoyed this experiment and want to see more mind-blowing science you can do at home, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. Let me know in the comments what colors you used. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.